Azure DevOps Pipelines section is the CI/CD engine in Azure DevOps to build, test, and deploy applications. Most modern pipelines are written in YAML, where we define triggers, variables, stages, jobs, and steps. A typical pipeline often starts when code is pushed to a specific branch. This is called a trigger. Then the pipeline can restore dependencies, build the application, run tests, publish artifacts, and deploy to environments like dev, test, or production. To connect Azure DevOps with Azure or another cloud provider, we usually use service connections. To manage configuration, we can use YAML variables, UI variables, variable groups, and Azure keyword for secrets. In Azure DevOps environments, we can configure approvals and checks. When the environment is referenced in a pipeline, a specific person or group may need to approve the deployments. Once the YAML build pipeline finishes, an artifact can be published and reused by other pipelines. A classic release pipeline can then be triggered after a successful build to deploy the artifact to a specific environment. In modern setups, the same deployment process can also be done directly in a multi-stage YAML pipeline. To avoid repeating the same YAML logic in every project, we use pipeline templates. They help standardize builds, deployments, and security checks across many pipelines. To run a pipeline, Azure DevOps needs an agent, a machine that executes pipeline jobs. We can use Microsoft hosted agents, self-hosted agents, managed DevOps pools, or Azure VM scale sets.